Hello and welcome to Tutorials Diary. In this video I will show you how to install Node.js on Windows machine. So to install Node.js on Windows we have two options. As you can see on my screen, the first option using chocolatey, second option is using the window installer. So second option is very simple. You have to just go to this link and just download the files and start installing. So we recommend for the first option because this video is as part of Ethereum development sessions, and going forward we will use the same chocolatey to install some other tools like Git, Visual Studio. So we want to have this installed on our system, and we will show you how to install this one, plus how to use this to install Node.js as well. So let's see the steps which you have to follow, both the options, option number 1 and option number 2. So first of all, you have to go to a chocolatey site to download that one, so which is chocolatey.org. You have to go to this link, install chocolatey now. So once you click on this one, it will show you the steps for Windows user which you have to follow. So you will simply go here and take this command, which you can just see. Don't change anything from your side. Simply open a command prompt and just say run as an administrator. Click on yes, then simply paste that command and click on enter. Now it will start creating all the folders and start downloading all the file as required. And now you can see this is completed. Now the next step is that we have to run that command to download the Node.js, which is choco install nodejs.install -y. But there is one prerequisite before you run this command, that .NET framework has to be installed on your systems. So please make sure that before you run this command, you download the .NET framework from Microsoft.com, which I have done from my side, which is currently the 4 version which I have downloaded for this installation. So this thing you have to make sure from your side this is completed, otherwise your installation will not work. So once you make sure that .NET framework is installed, simply run this command, click on enter, and then it will start doing the installation for me. So I got this message that Node.js is already installed, but for you it will show you the log that it will start downloading the file and it will start the installation. It will hardly take few minutes to complete the installation. So this is the option number 1. Option number 2, which I have mentioned earlier, so you have to go to this URL only, nodejs.org, and that will give you the window installer which you can download and simply install to your system. So this is how you can install Node.js. Thanks for watching.